ever since I have tried this method, I have no more yeast infection. It has gone permanently. Yes, please try this method. Try it before you will come and leave your comment. Yes, it is 100% sure. Hello beauty, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, or if today is your first time of seeing this face, you are highly welcome. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in my YouTube channel is all about DIY, fashion, vlog, makeup, lifestyle, and so on. Definitely, if it is what you like, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button over there. Thank you very much. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an effective way how to use garlic to cure your yeast infection. Yes, a lot of women face this problem as that yeast infection that doesn't make someone to feel comfortable. Yes, that bad yeast infection, that smell over there, that smell over that baby. Yes, in today's video I'm going to be showing you the effective way to use garlic to cure your yeast infection permanently. Before standing here sharing these tips with you, I have tried it. It works 100%. It works 100%. Yes, trust me. Yes, I'm a woman like you. This method will work for you. As long it works for me, it is also going to be working for you. Garlic is so very good to use. Yes, because as for my own testimony, I have tried garlic before. I know that it works like magic. Without wasting much of your time, let's jump into the video. Here is our garlic. This is what we are going to be needing for this home remedy. And garlic contains compound with protein medicinal property, and the active compound in garlic can reduce blood pressure, and garlic also lower the risk of heart disease. Yes, garlic is a medicinal property. Garlic is so very secure to use. We are going to be needing our needle. We are going to be needing our thread. Yes, I'm going to be needing a pair of scissors. Yes, I'm going to be doubling my thread so that it will be well secured. Yeah, but not too long, but not too short. Yes, then I'm going to take it through the hole of the needle. Yes, now I'm going to secure my knot by tying it like this. As you can see, I'm going to secure it. I'm going to be making a big knot. Yes, just to secure it. Here is my apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be putting my thread and my needle inside my apple cider vinegar just for it to sit for some minutes. Then I will be right back. After some minutes, I'm going to be sterilizing my needle and my thread. Also, I'm still going to be sterilizing my scissors as well. And after some minutes, my needle and my thread are sterilized. I'm going to let it cool down for some minutes. Here is my needle and my thread with my scissors right here. We're sterilized and they are already cooled down. Then I'm going to be taking just only 1 clove of the garlic here. This is the clove of the garlic. I'm going to be peeling off the garlic. Here is the garlic, and what I'm going to be doing with the garlic right now, I'm going to use my needle to pierce the garlic, just to put a dot like this, just to pierce it down all over as much you can. Yeah, it is very, very important. This part is so very, very important. I'm going to be passing my needle through the garlic, just like this. Yes. I'm going to be securing this part as well with a big knot. This is what we are going to be inserting under there. I'm going to let my garlic rest for some minutes. Before installing it, you have to let it rest for some minutes. It's very important. Let it rest for some minutes. Just keep it in the safe place and cover it up and let it rest for some minutes. Just like this, as you can see, just like this. Then what you are going to be doing, you're going to be taking this part like this. Then you are going to go under there gently and push gently and gently and gently, and the rope we have to drop out like this. And this method, you will have to use it overnight. Yes, overnight is the best time to use this garlic. Install it under there, put some pad to prevent the liquid that is going to be dropping out from there. Yes, at the next morning, then you just go ahead, grab the rope and take it out like this, little by little. Yes, just take it out like this. Yes, your garlic will be out very, very safely. Yes, this is the method that you are going to be using. I will assure you that you can use it like 5 days before you can be very assured that your yeast infection has gone totally. Yes, that yeast infection has gone permanently. Yes, in 5 days you can be able to see a massive result. Yes, this is not a joke. It is what I have tried so far, because there are a lot of symptoms of this yeast infection. Because mine was itching, it is always itching. When under there is itching, just consider it that it is yeast infection. Yes, ever since I have tried this method, I have no more yeast infection. It has gone permanently. Yes, please try this method. Try it before you will come and leave your comment. Yes, it is 100% sure. Go and try it before you will leave your comment. But first, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell for you not to miss any of my video whenever I upload. Then you can be able to find me easily when you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. That is it about today's video. I hope these helpful tips is going to help you out there. If you find it helpful, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and share my video. And I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.